There's the latch. There's the door. The door's coming in. You can see here, I don't know if you can see it, but the latch doesn't catch right there. It's down here, so it's not able to like latch into there. It comes like this and goes like that. If this is the latch, it comes like this, goes like that. Should come here, go in. I'm gonna move this piece. I'm gonna move it down. Take it. I'm gonna take this and just move it down about 1/4 inch. I don't know if you can see the latch. There's the latch right there. If you can see it, there's the latch right there. Okay. All right. I move this whole thing. Move it down by 1/4 inch. Let's see if it shuts. Alright. You gotta pull it a little bit, but it's nice and tight here, which is what you want. You want it nice and tight, so no air or sound comes through there. The door's really nice and tight. You can see here, you're not going to be able to see it, but you see the latch right here. It's now coming right in here. It's like just coming right in. So I basically just drilled a new hole here and a new hole here. If you can see that. Drill a new hole here and here. I shifted this whole thing down. You can see where I shifted it down right here. It was up here. And now I moved it down 1/4 inch. That should do it.